from Barangay Aperlabay, General Santos City.
Hindi ko talaga in-expect magkaka-perform ako dito sa Manila. Thankful din ako at saka masaya kasi nakasama ko yung mga magagaling. Ang gagaling sobra. Rodrigo.
Hi, I'm Erica Buensuceso from Taytay Rizal, 27 years old.
I'm your second runner-up. Ang bilis! Parang alam mo yan, ang tagal namin nag-prepare. Nakakapagod, tapos ang bilis! Grabe, I would like to thank Miss Apple. Maraming salamat po.
Hello po, I'm Danilo Lipopo Jr. from South Caloocan City.
Ako po ay isang freelance singer na kumakanta po sa mga gigs.
I'm thankful to the Lord na nagkaroon ako ng mga kaibigan dito and nagkaroon ng band na sa family.
Hey, I am Francis Alin Sonorin. I am 22 years old and I am from City of Naga, Cebu.
Hindi ko po talaga in-expect kanina kasi mabibigat yung talaga yung kalaban ko. Sa lahat-lahat po na sumusuporta sa akin, salamat po. Thank you so much po, especially sa Panginoon.
Hi!
Nakaka-proud bilang Pinoy.
Sobrang saya, tsaka exciting niya.
It was amazing. We enjoyed the performance. I was inspired. I want to be a singer.
Hi, I'm El Kwan and I was one of the judges. All I can say is all the 4 finalists really gave their best. Super great performances.
Congratulations of course sa mga nanalo and sobrang galing talaga ng mga contestant.
Happy kasi nagaling nila.
Wala po akong masabi sa kanila at lahat po sa kanila sobrang galing.
Hi, my name is Attorney Carly Ibanez. I'm one of the judges. Mahirap mag-judge kasi ang gagaling ng lahat.
Hi, I'm Ange Kabukin, of course, a regular host at the new channel. Grabe, the Filipino talent is unbeatable and I'm very excited for Jan Francis for his Finland adventure.
Suportahan niyo po ako sa World Championship po sa Finland po. This coming October 5 po.
I won the bet. So good luck sa can winner.
Congratulations to our champion na ipapadala sa Finland.
We're very excited to hear the champion in Finland.
Yung ating bandila ay nasa mabuting kamay.
Congratulations to the new channel for bringing the Karaoke World Championship here. Very exciting. Talent was amazing. Until next year.
Ang ganda ng stage, ang ganda ng production. So kudos din sa lahat ng mga bumuo nitong event.
I'm very happy and excited to be part of this event. Thank you very much to the new channel for bringing KWC here in the Philippines. What better country to have it than the Philippines?
Thank you so much po. God bless and congrats to all.
Maraming salamat.
Karaoke World Championships, Philippines, the best.